Welcome back to my next stream of Star Technology, where I'll be only using the crate logistics to play through the pack. Last stream I've built this entire setup with the large stone barrels to make lava and this automated sieving area. Here still the controller is missing, plus the drawers, but I didn't make any circuits yet, and the controller is requiring a circuit, so that's the plan for today. And also the automated setup for the casing crafting. So the current factory gauge board looks like this. Some of the Tom's simple storage stuff, packages, casings, and factory gauges. The smelting stuff is here, and bender stuff is here. More things to come today. So in the end of the last stream, I said I will complete a few quests where I had the items already, but I didn't completed the quest yet. So that's what I did: the Witchwater, Blackstone, the accumulator, this Lucent, and yeah, today I want to continue with making the wires, then automating circuit boards, and finally making some circuits. I made a plan, small plan for this. So first I want to get the steam macerator running. So a small LV steam area. The macerator is very important to get a few dusts to make alloys, because many of the alloys in the beginning, like for example the red alloy, they can all be crafted. So I just need to supply some dusts, and as well as the glass dust, for example, that is required. Alright. That is required for making glass dust here, which will be used, for example, in the forming press to make glass tubes. Okay. So first, steam. I'm planning to make some of these high pressure steam boilers, but they require a bit of steel and especially silver, and I don't have any silver at all yet, so I'm going to activate the requester here for getting dust and blackstone. Blackstone is needed for getting galena ore, and the crushed galena in the ore factory is going to get us some silver. And the dust is required for redstone. We need a lot of redstone this episode. I think it was 10 for the charcoal blocks. Yeah. As you can see, these were just now filling up quite quickly. That's why I turn off the requester until the storage drawer setup is done here with the void upgrades to avoid an overflow. Oh yeah, I already had some of the galena inside. 6 silver, that is definitely not enough. But I think the silver plates can be made. Ah yeah, so it's 1-to-1, the recipe. That actually means we have enough. Yeah, we need 6 for 1 actually. Yeah, 1 can already be made. And how much steel? Okay, oh, that is good. Then nickel was a mission. I'm gonna make just 8, because mostly will be, I think Invar will be needed more than just nickel. For the, I think Invar dust as well. That's why also the macerator to crush soul sand and the, I know Invar I don't need to crush because I can just craft the dust. Yeah. So this dust I need to craft. Bronze dust as well. And brass dust. And red alloy dust. These I want to set up already for the crafter. I will make some small dust crafting area over here. Copper, redstone, zinc, tin, iron, nickel. So 6. Yeah, I will just make it like this and then here the resulting product. Oh, zinc dust, okay. Alright. Then this one is crafted like so. In the crafter. And I always want like... I don't need that. I just make 8. Oh, that is that just 1? Yeah, that's just 1, okay. Next is the brass dust, which is not going to be crafted because there's no zinc, but that's okay. Copper, zinc in the crafter. Let's make 6. Then the bronze and the invar. Bronze dust. And then, how much did I make? 6? I think the macerator will need quite a lot of bronze. Steam grinder. Steam machine casings. And steam machine casings, yeah, they need bronze plates and bricks. Invar and nickel. Invar does like 10. Then I always need bronze ingots. Brass, red alloy wire, and yeah, that's it for now. Where's bronze? Great smelter. And actually make like 8 to 8 and make 16. Here, bronze, brass. I think we made 6. So 6 to that. Great smelter. Like 12. And bronze should be a lot more. 12 to 12. Um, 36. That's a good amount. Then I need the bronze plates for the steam machine casings. Like 12. I'm always gonna send like 6 at a time. Oh. And I should actually make like 24. Then we probably... Oh yeah, we need bricks as well. Which is quite easy because the crushing we set up is making clay when crushing the gravel to sand. Some gauges. Yeah, here. So some clay. Ah, right. The bricks actually don't work like that. Because first I need to craft these. That works in the... Yeah. Okay, I got that here. So that is a crafter setup. From the clay ball to this. I probably forgot to put the stock link on the clay. Yeah. Okay, that's better. And these are made... okay, I need to put the form as well. Okay, let's see if that works. Making like 16. I want to check if that is actually working. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's it. Good. To make some brass, I'm just quickly gonna use the mortar to crush some zinc. Okay. Then these. I'm gonna say 8 at a time. At the smelter. 8 to 8. And I want to have at least 24. The blocks, the brick. I don't need to automate that. But they're actually required so often. For now, I'm not gonna make them. How about here too? I'm gonna just craft. I'm just gonna automate them actually. Make some tiny automation here. Other way around. A crafter. This is okay. And okay. Let's say make like 12. Okay. Then already out of redstone, but the good thing is oh, that is already too much. Deactivate that. Okay. Another 6. I think I want like I want to make 4 in total. That should be enough. Because I only need to run until when are these unlocked? Also an LV circuit. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna make 4 of these. That is gonna power a few steam turbines for like a few of these for some of the LV machines. And as soon as I have this one, I'm just gonna replace the area where the LV machines are powered by these and have the steam just going to power the macerator. What is he up doing there? He is okay. Put it here. Silver. Okay, I'm gonna delete this for now. Now, wrought iron. I have enough for making 2 of these. Glass. I don't. Okay. Lint dust. Okay, sand. Why can I not take out? Okay. More wrought iron. The rest should be used for making some plates. Another 18 steel blocks, that's good. Maybe some charcoal. Silver. Then making these. Alright, the glass. So 1 and 2. First I'm gonna just make 2. And then... Alright. Okay. I'm going to use diorite for the Greg Tech area. I think I died before in the last episode, right? Making these. The problem is these extender upgrades get lost when you die. Yeah, I have one more white dye. Okay, at least this one I can make. Yeah, okay. So, accumulator. Then leaves. Bucket. Of course not. Ah, okay. Last time I got a tip from somebody to do it this way. So that's the water. Then I want to put a tank, a crate tank under here to store some steam, to build up a buffer. Not steam tank. This one. I need more copper plates. A lot more. Okay, how much redstone? 400? That looks fine for now. But I should make more. I'm just gonna request like 10 stacks and then turn it off again. Okay. I don't want to smelt the copper dust to ingots because copper dust is used quite a lot in these alloy recipes. So I rather want to use the copper ore. Okay, that's... Alright. This can be the center, then so. I have to wait until I can craft more. Okay, for each 9 I can make one more. Yeah. $104 plates, now some... I need more barrels. Okay, maybe... maybe one more level. That should be fine to make 9. Okay, and then... maybe I didn't connect that yet. And these will be pulling the steam out for the macerator and steam engines. Okay, connect them. That should be the steam buffer. Okay. Hypergrafting. Hey, welcome back. I just started making this small steam area, because the first priority right now is making the steam macerator to crush the soil sand, crush the yeah, also normal sand for the glass dust, flint, and so on. Okay, then now where was it? I didn't know. What did it? Oten. Okay, but that should be easily made. Yeah. Just some lead dust. I don't have. Okay. And this is requiring a steam input and output bus input hatch. And the steam machine casings. I had these, I think, already. No. Steam. Low. Okay. Steam Forge. Hard mode exclusive. What's that? Okay. That looks nice, but hard mode exclusive. No, okay. But can I make an upgraded macerator? No. Sifter, okay. This one I could make. But anyway, oh, I cannot make. This does not have a recipe. Okay. Anyway. First, this one. This requires more of the bronze machine casings. This one too, and a bronze drum. And the pipes. So I basically just need bronze. And this one. So since I just automated the bronze, I will actually increase these to quickly just make 100. And then make the pot-tin. Yeah, lead is not enough. I should have some lead actually. Ah yeah, galena dust it's making. And yeah, I need the electrolyzer, okay. But still, I could just make the lead ingots and then use a mortar. Don't think I need to automate poaching. I think that is enough. Okay. Then I needed to make 2 of these. Can I make these with the... Yes, I can. So... Actually, I made way too much, but I don't think I will need to make Putin ever again. So, and also 8 of these. Okay. Now 1, 2. Then I think I needed 6, okay, of these. Then this one. I should maybe automate pistons actually. One of this one. That's this one, that's that one. Okay. So then more of these machine casings too. And the drum. So first make 2 of these. Chest. Input, output. Then these are done. And what was that? Okay, long. Right now they are all busy making. Okay, I'm gonna turn this back down to 24, I think it was. Do I have even enough copper and tin dust to make? Yeah. Okay. The gears are done. These also. Ah, where's the 5? Ah, okay, this way. Maybe I should make the... I think there was a forge hammer version as well. High pressure steam hammer. For making the long rods. If I will make this one if I really need to craft these a lot. But I think actually the LV forge hammer should be enough. Okay, the drum, input hedge, and then few more of these. Almost. Barrels. That means the... Oh, this one is not connected. Okay, no, I will put some AV machines here, and here goes the macerator. The input hedge. I will actually turn this one around. Ah, here. And the input and output. It's empty in the middle, right? Yeah. Or more. Okay. Then connect the steam. I'm just gonna quickly go from here. Yeah, go from there. I need these jet boots so bad. Okay, good. You should be able to make travel anchor. Ah, yeah, travel anchors and travel. I think I can actually get already here, right? Yeah. Okay, I will do this after I automate this setup. Okay. Then I think I built it too close. Yeah, but I think then I'm just not gonna use barrels in front of these, but I think this can pull out. I'm not sure, but let's see. If I do like here. Main return. And put some lead, for example. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna change this now. Here's the input now. Here's the output. Should be able to pull out items. This. Okay, it works. Put in items I knew already is gonna work, but pulling out I was unsure. Okay, and then here is the macerator. Then let's automate a few macerator recipes. These can maybe... how wide? Plating. I want to make more of these. This wall here should go completely through. Oh, I think it was 2 here, yeah. So the idea is later on with the jet boots, I will just build this up basically infinitely. I will use this front side here for normal crafting and the back side here for normal crafting, but for GregTech components. And the rest are of course these for if few machines. Or actually, maybe I'm going to keep that locally here. Yeah, I think I will test how that is if I just keep everything local. So for making glass dust, for example, these are needed. Then the soul sand is going to be soul sand dust. And what else? Okay, first these. I put it. Actually, for now, I'm gonna put these on the machine. Ah, okay. Nah. Okay. Flint dust. And this is made from sand. Okay, sand is there. And flint. Sand. Flint. Clipboard. Sorter, yeah. Okay. Mercerita. And make 8 to 8. Keep that amount. Here as well, 8 to 8 dust. Actually, this one maybe 24. And here again 8. Okay. That means that I can also automate the process of making the glass dust by combining quartz sand with the flint dust. And I'm gonna make 24 of that. And of course, soul sand dust, which is going to be soul infused dust for the soul infused wires. Where's the invar? Ah, here, right. And then I just put this behind here in the crafter. It's gonna make just one. Okay. Then maybe just make 6. I think for the quest I need to pick up. First I need to get the nickel and the invar, which I didn't make ingot yet. I need more of these because I need to smelt this to be the soul infused ingots. I'm going to, how much I did? I think 6. So 6 to here. Then make like 12. And then to make void upgrades for the drawers and also for early wires, I need to have the plates. And the bender. 6 should be enough. Oh. Okay. Not enough suicide, but that's why I was going to... Do I have the depots? I'm going to make 4 of these. Do I need suicide for anything else in the future? Should I completely automate? Okay, that is not necessary. That's also not. Yeah, I'm just gonna build a small setup in the bottom and make 4 stacks of soul sand, and that's going to be enough. Paste. And this, I'm also gonna pick 1 dust. Quest. Ach, the invar. Oh, actually the dust was not even required. Okay. So then I just do this here. It is not the correct rotation. Then I do it here. Wait. Isn't it? Ah, yeah, of course. No, not this one. And then... Is it working? Okay, good. That means now the macerator, yeah, I could see that there already. This is in process. Okay. Then I should bring up the belt grinder. Because to make these polished rose quartz, I need to use this setup here. And that is going to go maybe here. Is the... Okay. It's probably crafting right now here. Yeah. Oh, it's not running anymore. You should make some more... What is the tin? Is giving zinc as well. Okay, then let's run some tin. So, yeah, plates. That means I can make an ingot, not ingot, wire. Four, okay. First thing I will build is a wire mill. Then... Alright. I was gonna pick up the grinder here. Is this still required? No. Yeah, this can all be gone. Good. Cool. Yeah, that should be... How many for the quest? Just one, okay. This one. Okay. So I'm going to put this here. No. Here goes the barrel input. Then belt. Ah. I'm just gonna move it one to here. Okay, the funnels. And then... We can just reuse this. Make another one. Stick gearbox. So far, more of these. Build. Okay. No, I can't actually use this. Because it has to be low speed. But of course the belts I want to be high speed. So I am actually going to put that here. That's fine, I will just like make these input and this one output. And then where are they? Maybe I would just this one here, then this one, and just hope that this is the correct rotation. Which is probably not it. Oh, and this one maybe. Ah, no. I will extend this one to go here. Do the same thing again. Okay, that's connected. So, that is probably not the correct rotation, but that doesn't matter because I can just turn it around with the rotation and speed controller. Yeah. And until when it's low. Is 32 still low? That is already medium, okay. What would be 256? Just high, okay. How fast would that be for like... I put some lead in here. Okay. So maybe 23 or something? No. Everything over 16 maybe already? Yeah. So until 16. And this here is the... Do we have something somewhere to... Ah no, okay, over there. This one is going to send items back. This one is the belt grinder input. Belt grinder. And I think I need this one actually just for this. Maybe for the bone meal? Okay, I think of this, this for example, but is that really needed anywhere? No. Okay. So basically just for making rose quartz to make these here. Okay, then this one still needs the sign. And I don't have any more. Make a stack. Almost. Okay. Then factory gauges. So I have already the iron plates. I just need to make the rose quartz. I have the quartz and redstone here. So rose quartz, the polished one, and the tubes. This one is made in the crafter. I'm gonna make like 4. Then this one is made in the... Oh, I should actually... What was the name again? Belt grinder? Yeah. I only need this once. Probably. And then... okay. Okay. So belt grinder. So like 4. And then these ones are made from the polished one and the plate. In the okay, and make like 4. So now I can use these to make I think maybe the brass tunnels I should automate. I will just handcraft everything I need with these. Why is no iron dust? Okay. How much the soul infused? Okay. that is enough for a few cables, but I need to make... I'm just gonna make like 4 stacks of soul sand. And okay, this. And also some iron. Iron dust. This will be wrought iron. And iron dust should be made from... Okay, actually I have so much crushed iron that I will just automate iron dust. No. I will make these with the iron dust with the ore factory. I think the tin dust, the crushed tin is also making some iron dust. Yeah. So there should be 18, okay. Not that much. This one is not running anymore. Okay. Then... Alright, I should actually make the... travel anchors. I don't want to use the coins actually because I want to save all for the jet boots. So I should be able to make the gravel stuff here. Okay. Then, ooh, these need quite a lot of steel, right? Okay. Oh, what is happening here? Why is... Because of the redstone signal? So what if I put it here? Is this affecting this one? No. Okay. I need to expand the area here a bit. Maybe the range is enough. Yeah. Okay, I actually don't need that one anymore. I can put this one here. Next. Okay, this one is also done. That means, next thing, automation of the AV circuits. So, for that, I have the resin made last time. So, I can't make these yet automated. Okay. Same as these. Okay, full automation actually only possible with the first few LV machines. But I will just make these manually for now. Charcoal dust. Ah, right, charcoal dust is also something I want to automate. So here, log to charcoal. Logs. Charcoal to charcoal dust. And the oak logs to charcoal. In the crate smelter. And I'm gonna send always 16. Make a stack at least. Then I need to crush the charcoal. Eight charcoal to 8 dust. Make like 16. Okay. So then paper. I have. Okay, I can just craft like this for now. I have to actually. Right, I need to. Large farm. Kelp. Kelp and. Okay. Large farm. Kelp. Sugar. I'm probably gonna place them somewhere there and just have them supply, or maybe behind this area here. Have 2 farms, have them supply the sugarcane and kelp. But I can do that later because I have definitely enough paper for now to make LV circuits. I should also have some charcoal dust by now, yeah. Okay. Where's the wire cutter? Okay. And that is okay. And then probably now I don't have... Yeah. Wait, screwdriver, file, hammer. Screwdriver, file, hammer. Iron plates I have. Ah, I don't have the rods. And then the copper foil. And make resistors. Okay, then circuit boards. These I can actually already... Ah no, right, I also need wire mill for that. Okay. Right, sticky and resin they should make right now. Yeah, okay. I think I'm gonna increase that. Ah no, 32 already. Good. That's fine for now because I need to make a lot of copper wires. And these need... Right, I need to cut the glass and I don't have glass, but the glass dust automated already. How much wrought iron plates do I have? 17? That's enough for a few LV holds. For tubes, then, right. Make like 7. And now, alright, red alloy wire. Red alloy is automated, but I forgot to automate the red alloy plates. But the first thing I'm gonna make is a wire mill, and then I don't need the plates anymore to make wires. And I also need to make a steam engine, not this one, steam turbine. Oh wait, maybe these. Steel, wrought iron plates and tin cables, okay. Just take everything out. Okay. And make the machine hole. No more tin wires. Do I even have... Oh yeah, I have a bit of rubber. So I'm going to make all of this already out of... Already gone. Already broken the wire cutter. Oh, what was this? Ah, okay. So... I need to make more. And... Yeah, right. Wire cutter. What's miss? No. I would like to make this one, but I cannot yet. And the tin wire. Okay, and can make one circuit. Because not enough of these. One more and one more circuit. Okay. This first circuit will be used for oh no. Hammer. And okay. More of these. Can't wait to pacify everything. Once the LV machines are running. To really make everything, I need to wait for the MBH because of these extruders here. They will be used to make most of the other components, like the rotors, these pipes. And then this one was still missing. I think I need two actually, yeah. I didn't even craft the rotor yet, I think. Yeah, because tin plates were missing. And I need more rods. More wires. And tin cables. To make two of these. Make two of these. Did I make the... Yeah, these I already made, and that means finally first turbine, first LV machine. And the second one is immediately going to be a wire mill. 4, okay. Okay. And of course vacuum tubes I should still have. No. What is missing? Okay, I thought I made actually a lot of these. And then make again copper wire, yeah. Okay. Then now the rest of the copper wire. One more circuit, that's the 2 circuits needed. Then 4 more motors, which needs 12 of these. Tons of copper wire. That's it already with the wire, with the wire cutter. That means I need even more of these. I'm just gonna... This might be the last one. And then the motors Alright. And copper is missing, of course. These are the 4 firemen. Okay. Then this wire. Okay, and yeah, that's it basically. Then shoot. Barrel. I will actually build. Okay. I will build the area that I had in mind already. Over here. I want to build small buildings with diorite for each of the machine types. So here will be a wire mill building, then next to that yeah, bending maybe, because I need to make the bender as well soonish to make the steel plates. Do not waste so much steel. Then maybe the lathe, or I will actually make... No, I will actually do that, because these buildings should be also big enough to later fit either these multi-blocks or these. I think maybe the lathe. Yeah, so I need to... What is this one? Ah, okay. Maybe I will actually just build these. In my first playthrough, I built these for the parallel control hatches, but since I make everything on passive here, I don't need super fast crafting because everything will be running all the time anyway. And these don't take so much space. Homing press probably also has... Yeah. Then... What else? The lathe has it. The bending machine has that. Accelerator. Autoclave. Electrolyzer centrifuge. Mixer. That's basically everything required. Extruder. No, not... Alright, the extractor as well. Doesn't have... No, the extruder has it actually, okay. So... Where is the underside? Not underside, the... right, I don't have anything. So how should they look like? Maybe start here, then there will be a conveyor going inside the building for the machine. So the multi-block needs 3. Conveyor goes here maybe. One more space. And then, for example, wire mill, I will use the circuit 1, circuit 2, I think, or 3 it was. For the, what was the wire again? This, yeah, circuit 3. Then, so it would be like 2 multi-blocks in the end. One goes here, one goes here, like maybe a bit more distance actually, because of the packages. Because the reason why I want to do like this is because I want to build the factory boards then inside these buildings to have everything in one place. But actually this will be quite a lot of work for now. And without the jet boots also a bit annoying. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that yet. I will do that as soon as I reach the HV part, HVH, to make the multi-block machines of these, and then I will plan these buildings based on the multi-block versions. I think that makes more sense instead of starting that already now. How much was, I think I made 16 in between. Right, yeah. I should also automate these here. Chain. Okay, but anyway, for now I will then build an LV processing area over here. So and then here go the machines on this side. And then they will all return their outputs to one barrel, which sends items back to, with the packager, back to the main network. And actually I want to bring one conveyor in here. Which will look quite bad if I just do... Okay, no. I need to move these for I need to move these a bit. One here. So it's basically cannot add. Oh, then maybe over there. And the distance going back to the main storage won't be as bad. Okay, and then for the I need packagers, rockport. Then I will put the machine maybe over here. Put the input like so. Huh? Wait. Packager and connect here. And this one is the wire mill with the circuit 1. Then item pipes. They will take out all the outputs, put them in this barrel, which will send the items back to the... Okay, this one doesn't need to be named. Here they go back to the main storage. In return, okay, alright, and then the power supply. And the steam should come up from here. Okay. Then these are enough. Oh, come on. Okay. And oh, yes, I can already hear the machine is running. That means they have power. Yes. Okay. That means I can start automating wire mill products. Okay, for now I will put the factory gauges for the wire mills and the other machines here in the back, but of course they will be removed, so I have to build all of them again at some point. I will make each of them maybe like 6. Yeah, 6 wide. Wait, then how many? Three in between. Yeah, that is actually good. Yeah, I don't need that right now. Then this will be the wire mill, for example. And this one here will be the bender. I should actually create more signs. So here's the wire mill circuit one. Here will be the bender on circuit one. Actually, I will just put all the circuits on one board for now. Because I have to move them anyway. Wire mill circuit one. And let's see if that's going to work now. So let's make, of course, first copper wire. Because we need quite a lot of them. So wire mill. One copper becomes 2 copper wire. Wire mill. 1 minute expiration. I'm gonna make like 32. Okay, let's see. Maybe it's gonna go here. Um, okay. It should go in here. Maybe I should connect the other ones to here. They should actually go into here. Yeah, one moment. Target one. Okay. Nice. The first GregTech machine connected to the conveyor system. Conveyor chain system. Which I still have to move to the other side then. Okay. That means now... alright, I should also make the wires for these. I don't need that many of them. So I will just... no, I will make at least 24 because I have to craft some of these LV 4 amp energy converter, and then I need like 16 already. Okay, this seems to be running. Next are tin wire. Oh, I just deleted that. I will still need that. The wire cutter can be removed. Wire mill as well. Then, to make, for example, automated motors, I still need the tin cable, which also need to be combined with the rubber sheets. And these will be made here with tin. Nope, not this one. The wire mill, and make like 10. Because I don't need so many of these, I actually need more of these with rubber. And here now on the backside, I want to do the Gregtech stuff. So I will start with the tin wires. No, other way around. And of course the rubber. Oh, 5 rubber. I need to make new ones. I will make 6 for now, even I can't make as many. Then next is... Alright, I don't have a lathe yet, but anyway, I will set this one up for now. Just make like 2 of these. And then, what else? The copper wire. So this, the iron rod as well, and the copper wire is enough to make the LV motor. In the crafter. And I want always 4. Okay. Then that's the motors. What do I need for the bending machine? Basic bender. Oh, I need the pistons as well. I will make these for now in an alloy smelter with casting mold, because I need these steel, small steel keys, and I think an MB is the aluminium gears. But actually I only need these 2, and then I can already make the extruder. Okay, no, I will craft these by hand for now. But maybe I should make the lathe first. No, I will make this one first to get steel. Steel easier to steel plating. Oh, there seems to be an error. They're supposed to go to the crafter, which is full, because there... That looks like there's an error in the recipe. Oh, no. Oh, no. Um, yeah, I forgot to press this. Damn it. Did I forgot to do that for anything else? No. Yeah, without this one, the crafter does not recognize these as the recipe for tin cable, for example. Even the item amount is correct. So that means I have to now take these out. This is gonna fail. But the rest should just continue. Okay. This is fine. Okay. I need again 2 more LV machine hoods. That means more steel plates. Quite a few actually, because these ones here also, yeah, take steel plates. Okay. 2 of them. And how many circuits? 2 and another 2. And I probably don't have any at all. Yeah. And I did not automate the red alloy ingot yet. Okay, that is the wire. That is actually very important to do. One of this. It's going to be 2 of these. And the wire mill. And 9. That doesn't make sense. 12 then. Which is just gonna make 6 here because the rubber version is needed more than this one for now. Don't forget the crafting. And this one I will make 9 then. I still have 9, okay. I can actually also automate this one. This one already. So first this one I need to craft. And the crafter, and make 6 of these because I want to use the recipe for this amount. Sticky resin. And you're gonna make this one, combining this and that. How to, if I do this? No. Okay, it's fine. This is anyway gonna be faster. Oh. Alright. Crafter. And then make 3 always. So 1 craft. And then the next one after that is going to be this one, which needs copper cable. And that to make these. And also make like 3. That is already... And the resistors I can also automate now. Because this one can be done in the wire mill using a copper wire and putting it back into the wire mill. So here 1 wire is becoming 4 of these fine wires, and I want to have 24. 16 is enough. And then here I need quite a few more stuff. Oh no, actually just these 3. So yeah, paper, charcoal, and fine copper wire, charcoal, and maybe some paper here. Charcoal. And they will become resistors. And the resin. The crafter. And always keep 10 of these. That's the resistors as well already. Then vacuum tubes, I think I need to have the forming press. Right, the forming press I also need. Because the glass test I have already. So I just need to put the glass dust in here to get these tubes. But the only problem is these steer bolts. These need... no, actually I can make them already in the MVH. Because I think I don't need to make the cutter for crafting diodes. Because the problem is, if I need the cutter, which is here, I would need to make the void extractor to get cobalt with the electric ore factory. And yeah, I'm not gonna just build these right now for getting the cutter. So I will just craft a stack of these manually, and that's enough for now. Why is I right? I don't have any rubber at all anymore. So that is something I have to make right now. Okay. I need some buckets. I don't have any iron plates. Okay. One moment. I need to automate this one pretty quick. And also, I don't even have any more ingots. Right. Okay, I'm completely... Oh no, that's... I made the iron plates already, but I'm just out of ingots. That means Alright, I need to make one more... The next circuit I make, I will use immediately to craft the drawer controller to make this one running. And then I will use... was there some iron? A magnetite. And then once these... the supply for these are set up, I will of course extend the automated smelting for copper and iron from the ores. Another 9 blocks of steel. 400, that's good. Or I can actually make more charcoal blocks. That means I will just let this one run and come back. Ah, actually, I can just let this one running now. Because I can make void upgrades now. I have the soul infused plate. And obsidian is here. So void this one here. I need more of these when I set up the drawer area there to automatically void the overflow. Okay. And I will also lock these. Okay. This will be all charcoal. Okay, this is the most interesting part of the rubber setup. But very soon I will have a chemical reactor running with an extractor to get another centrifuge to get the raw rubber pulp and the glue to put them here, and then get this one to make everything in the assembler, the wires. So I'll just craft a stack maybe of this rubber, and then that's enough. Maybe actually I need to do this one more time before I have enough for crafting everything. guess that's enough. Okay. So then I need some of this. And some sulfur. Okay. Huh? So that's 48 rubber plates. No, here. This is done. This as well. Can already make 3 of these. Maybe make 5. This is still going. So it is 2 stacks of rubber. That means oh no, I still need to be making more of the vacuum tubes. Then of course already the steel bolts. Okay. Then 3 circuits. That is enough to make the bender, at least, I think. Why are there no motors yet? Rubber should be there. Upper wire and okay. But 5? Right. I don't have any more iron rods because I don't have a lathe yet. Make all. And then a new file. What do I need for the dime? I need the dime on this as also just with the cut. Okay. Okay, now if you are being made, the bender needs 2 motors and 2 of these. Then actually I need more iron still, iron rods. But as soon as I got the bender set up to make the steel plates, then the lathe, then the problem with the rods is also solved. These are not crafting because probably copper is missing. But it's probably running already multiple, yeah. So the bottleneck right now is going to be the wire mill still, but I think as soon as I have the MV1, that's going to be fine. Oh, I almost forgot the ore storage here. So, storage drawer. No, not storage drawer. Storage controller. This one needs some glass, of course, which I just cut all. Okay. Then the drawers. Drawer. I'm gonna make a lot of these. I need actually way more still, but I need the linking tool. Why can I not make this one? I have paper, I have gold. I don't have gold. I need to do a smelting setup for gold. I probably need gold also for this thing here, right? Yeah. Wait, where are the gold plates? Here. And I have, of course, 0. Because no gold is being made. Then I need to fix that right now. Factory. Gauges. No. Huh? Where did this now connect to? Okay. Make like 10 with 10. Best. Great smelter. And let's keep 20 in stock. Okay. That means now I can make this one. And the locking tool as well. So now I need to place the controller here. Then the drawers. Can be 3 here. So I just need some item pipes that pump everything out of this storage into the drawers. Okay. I will start with the gravel. Okay. I would just request one of our. One there, one there. Okay, that's already... There's tin iron. Okay. That is not going to go there. Huh? Ah, that was... Ah, okay. Then this was actually fine. And that's it already for the drawers. Actually, I should leave one open here. Okay. What's missing? Ender pearls, redstone, and emeralds. So 3 more. Okay. Perfect. Now I need to install a void upgrade in all of these. And of course, a packager, a rockport, and a link. Ah, packager is here already. And this should go into that direction. And is called sieve supply, or I don't know, sieve supply. Basically all products from sieving. Connect to the network. That's it. Oh. Something was already requested from probably the redstone. Yeah, because there was no more redstone inside. That's why the redstone is now being requested. So already everything works. Then these are set up. So I can just let it run for now. But of course I need more void upgrades. Did I not automate the plates? I did, but they are not making... Ah, because I forgot about this. I will just put all of these in the incinerator for now. Nope. Then I need to break this wall or the packager. That's fine. Okay, everything. Wait, this is stibnite, and then this is magnetite. Okay. Good, good, good. So let's see. Are the motors done? Yes. That means I can make 1 piston. Actually, I need 2. And I should have enough. I don't have steel and tin cable. And the basic bender is done. Shoot. And barrel. Why I have to. Packager. And front port. This is going to be circuit 1. Shoot. Barrel. Packager. And this time I need to remember to put the report here. And call it bender circuit 1. Where I will be now crafting steel plates with. I can already remove this one here. LV circuits I will still leave because I meant to fully automate them, but which is not possible yet. Where is the bender? There, okay. Then I'm going to write here the bender circuit 1. Factory gauges. The iron okay is also going. And steel ingot will be steel plates. And I will make 32. Then yeah, so the copper and iron is probably gonna run out soon. So I'm going to already tell the smelter to make more of the... Oh, what was it? Crush? Yeah, crushed iron. And copper. They should use that to make the ingots. And of these should be 10 ingots in the smelter. I always want 2 iron stacks. Ingot iron. 2 stacks of iron ingots. Same for copper. Smelter. Actually, to make this run faster, I will just make 16. And here also 2 stacks. I knew it. What? I was supposed to put 1 by 1. But maybe there was something already smelting. Okay. Anyway. Oh, what is happening here? Are the crafters blocked again? No. Ah, okay, that's a problem. I talked about it in the beginning. Why I built this kind of thing here. There will be now, at some point, sometimes, too many packages returned to this frogport here, so that one frogport cannot grab all in time. So I will already put a second one here. And yeah, now these two will handle more packages. Yeah, this one would have probably not be catched with two and would have gone one more round of these three. Okay, void upgrades. I cannot accidentally put two, right? No, I can, okay. Yeah, here. This one does not have yet. This one, and then four more. And one more. Good. This setup can now be just left alone. And it's going to make infinite amount of resources. If this system can keep up. Which probably can't. But I can just increase the speed. I think it's now running at like 16? Okay. I will increase that already to double the speed. Since these use actually quite a lot of stress units, I cannot go like and set it to 256. Because right now everything still runs on these water wheels. Iron. Okay. Bender is done. Next thing is the lathe. Circuits, nothing anymore. Okay. But yeah, actually I can make already enough. One more of this. That's it already. That's it. That's the advantage of having everything passively made. That these kind of things sometimes can be very easy to craft if all the components are already made. This one does not need a circuit. And same setup as before. Packager. And put it here. And that's the lathe. And with that, I need to make these from steel ingots and these from iron ingots. I need some area to put. I will just maybe here. This one is fine for now. Lathe. And I also want to make tin rods, because I need to cut it still manually. But the screws, I can actually make one-to-one in the lathe instead of wasting one. First, these. I think actually 1 to 2 is the ratio. Yeah. In the lathe. And make like... no, actually, I need quite a lot for some of the multi-block parts. But this one can be like 8. Okay. Then more of these for making tin to the rods. And then maybe here make some screws. One tin is going to be 2 rods in the lathe. Make 6. And then 1 bolt is going to be 1 screw. And the lathe. Make 4 screws. Okay. Since I now have this one here, I should be able... I don't have the small steel gears yet, but I will put that here anyway, and craft gears always manually. So steel plates, steel rods, and steel gear. They go into here with this one. And I think tin wire. Yep, crafter. And make 2 of these. Which is just enough. Lathe is done, then forming press. For making the glass tubes. Because I'm probably out of vacuum tubes again. Yep. Not even glass tubes. Oh, I don't even have the steel screws as well. But I have at least the steel rods. Two circuits. Easy peasy. Then these are done actually, these are also done. Ah. This is also now easy to craft. Because every component except the wrought iron is automated. And that's the probably not enough tin wire. No, okay. That's it already. Forming press also done. But for this, of course, I still need to have this one here. Okay. Barrel. And the rockport packager stuff. Okay. This goes in here. Packager connected. It's going to be the forming press. And I won't be building any new wall here just for the forming press, because right now I just need it for the vacuum tubes. Because I'm not going to make these printed circuit parts, because I'm not going to use Applied Energistics. So, but I just need the clusters to be the glass tubes. And one is one, okay. Nope. In the forming press. Make 6. And then I can already craft these, but I just need to manually craft steel bolts. I'm gonna put steel bolts here, so both of these are the things I need to still manually craft. Then, okay, copper I have already, then this can go here, from here, and this one, and the copper wire, and the crafter, and we always want 4. So now we have this, we have that, we have the resistors, and the red alloy cable. That means we can now make one more here and set it to the circuits. Resistors, red alloy cable, and wait, and steel plate. Okay, here, rafter, make 4. We got LV circuit automated. 90%, because steel bolts are missing. Without any applied energetics. Everything already done with conveyors. I've already cut these. Make maybe a new saw. Ah, here. Steel. Just cut all. Now it's going crazy. Can these keep up? Oh. The blackstone can't keep up at all, but it is fine. I don't need so much of the blackstone products. Already 500 redstone. Yeah, basically everything infinite now. Oh, what is happening? Oh, this one is too slow. Okay. Wait. Stop. Stop. I need actually an upgrade. With an upgrade for the item pipe, which needs, I think, just conveyors. Yeah, which needs so much rubber, and I want to use the first one for the assembler, so I'm not gonna do that yet. I think that these are going to be enough for now. How's the steam doing? It's also fine. I think as long as all 4 of them are not running at the same time, this one can keep up for now. And yeah, I just wait until there are 8, 4 made. I have 4 already done. So make another 4 to start this quest here. Even we have these components already. So this one here I can actually already automate. And I can also make this one. Right now not, because no more steel gears. How much rubber sheets are already down to 32 from the 2 stacks from before. And probably after 4 more circuits are done, the rubber will be gone. So I will... The first area. The first bigger processing area I'm going to build is the rubber and glue processing area. So the plan for that is to use the centrifuge, then the resin, sticky resin, is going to be centrifuged into rubber pulp and glue and plant bolts. I will store the plant bolts in a drawer for supplying them later, and the glue and the glue will be in the tank. For now, a fluid tank from Create. Later, in a super tank. Same thing for first the rubber is going into the chemical reactor with sulfur to make liquid rubber, which is then also going to be stored in a fluid tank. And then once these two fluids are in fluid tanks and what was the name? I think Create. The mod I added. Create factory logistics. Why don't they? Okay. But anyway, then to these tanks, bottlers will be connected, which then will use the factory fluid gauges to send fluids automatically to the assembler. So, for example, a rubber wire, not a rubber wire, but for example, a red alloy wire then is going to be crafted with 144 millibuckets liquid rubber plus a red alloy wire. Okay. I will now, for now, remove the LV circuits because yeah, I will just craft these manually for now, and I just have to remember that to immediately build the extruder for the bolts. Same goes for these small steel gears. First MB machines are going to be extruders. So, okay, another LV. This is done, so I can also pick up some of the motors. Then make some steel gears. And automate both of these. Yeah, I just need two actually, because the other components are already here. First this one. Plus this, plus motors, plus pin wire. For now I just make one. This one as well. Motor. And this one. And this one. And also tin wire. And also just make one. Then now one of this conveyor is done, so I take one out. And once the other one is done, I put it back in. Same with the LV robot arm to have enough components for making the assembler. And I also need to make these here. Which can be... I need the extruder, okay. Then manually craft these for now. Here's the arm. And yeah, I'm already out of rubber. Okay. There was really no process, right, to automate with a fluid solidifier, okay. But then I would need to put this... Nah, it's fine. Okay, that's it already. I hope that's enough rubber to make everything, to make the centrifuge, chemical reactor, and fluid solidifier I also need. Maybe that's enough. Okay. Yeah, okay, and these need to go into the bending machine. Oh, something stuck here again, or what is happening? Ah, again. Oi, oi, oi. That is going to be quite a problem. Ah, that's super annoying. It's probably because this one is going to be the slime balls, and then they are gonna be stuck. So yeah. Okay, now one is going through here. Okay, I should actually then just adjust this one here. Yeah, of course. I forgot to adjust that one. And if it's waiting here, it's already gonna make the sticky resin, which is fine. It's gonna skip a step. Okay, I guess now we really have enough copper and iron. Gonna make a bit more steel. And charcoal. This one is all full, yeah. Oh, I forgot to put the rubber. Damn it. Okay, this is all stuck because of the rubber. Yeah. Okay. Okay, the arms is done. The arms are done. Then just waiting for this one. So I can make the first assembler. If I actually already have some casings. Ah, right. Yeah, I definitely don't think these 22 rubber are going to be enough. Okay, and I'm probably gonna make this assembler and then work on the next project, which is steam engine, steam engines, and create new H, the brush, I think, kinetic brush, carbon brush, to make the power supply for this space. And this probably, I'm probably going to build that over there. And I'm gonna use maybe the Tom Simple storage to get the wood into another setup like this to make charcoal, and that charcoal then gets distributed to multiple boilers. This in this pack you can't get blazes for the burners, so you can't make these here, the blaze burners, but this one here is added. So basically instead of these will be used in a 3x3 under the tanks to make the boilers, and then use a mechanical arm to put charcoal in these. I can actually already start preparing for that. These can be handcrafted. I don't need to, but I should maybe automate these ones. Or I just make more. I will just make more barrels for now. And more copper plates. Make a stack of plates. Okay, is the other conveyor done? The conveyor is done. 15 sheets remaining, so as soon as I make the assembler, they will be used. Oh, did I not? No. They will be probably immediately being used up to make... Ah, no, I will actually just deactivate this then. Okay, assembler's done. But we don't actually need this one yet. I just wanted to build it already. Oh, of course, I forgot to pick up the item. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I need to make the centrifuge first. Then chemical reactor. And then the fluid solidifier. No, I don't need the fluid solidifier. I will just auto. No. Yeah, I will just auto export the from one of the reactor chemical reactor sites into the assembler. I will put the assembler next to the reactor and just make a stack of cables and then build a proper setup or something. I don't know. I will actually now first build the steam engine setup thing, because I will need more rubber to continue, probably. More of the latex, and it is completely empty now. So I will just let this one go. I will just let it produce more and make the steam room now, steam setup. Okay. So, which block to use for that? Probably also the granite. Yeah. And I will do some layout with that. So first I will build some floor here. And what I want to build is basically on top of this steam engine. I forgot how high I can actually build that with these burners. I think I could connect 9 steam engines in my test world, but I forgot how high the boilers are going to be. So the burners are going to be here on top, and then the boilers on top of the burners. Then on here, on this block, is going to be a mechanical arm. I'm actually going to craft one now to... I should have everything for that. What about the brass? Not enough brass plating, okay. So basically a belt. I'm gonna use this one here as belt right now. A belt is going around here. And of course, more in this direction, depending on how many boilers I want to set up. Maybe coming around here, going back here, and it's maybe going to be fed from charcoal from a barrel over here. So, and the side funnel is feeding charcoal on the build. The mechanical arm is going to pick it up, put it in the burners. So one more on this side then, of course. That means more here. That, oh no. Actually I don't need any more belts, but let's see. Then one distance, and then on top of that the burners. 3 to there is enough. We can, yeah, on top of that I'm gonna build the wall. Like that. And I also need water supply. So maybe if these are going to be the walls, then an accumulator setup with the accumulator is going to be here. And yeah, the pipe is going to be here into the boiler and maybe going, or maybe here and then crossing this area. And then also I need the smelting for the charcoal. So actually I don't need to restore charcoal here, but I'm gonna extend here one. There can be basically a conveyor incoming to the system, and here could be, I need maybe another color basically. Then how to, maybe here is going to be the lava bucket. Make some slabs on here maybe. And then here the fan, the encased fan. And then here is going to be a tunnel. What is missing? I don't have kelp. Oh. Wait. That is not good. I smelt all the kelp without... Oh no. Oh no. Oh, okay. Yeah. I need to do some waterlogged sieving again, I think. Right, kelp is... Yeah. Okay, nice. But okay, then I'm just gonna place this one here. This is gonna be the... Wait, can the fan pass through here? If I would to build Like for example, here, something. Ah. Yeah. So that's not gonna work. Still, this could be there, but no. I need to build some smelting setup over here then. Or basically here. So that this belt is going here, but let's make this one shorter actually again. Then have the yeah. Wait. Okay. Have the fan going here, which is actually not possible because there's a wall. I mean, I can just move this one back to have more space. Yeah. Yeah. I will just do that. So, and then the belt is going from here. Charcoal is not charcoal, the logs are incoming from Tom Civil storage into a barrel to here, exported to a barrel here. The logs are going the belt down here. There will be a tunnel to block the logs, and the charcoal will then go down here. Okay. I think I also don't need so much. Maybe the wall goes here and then that should be enough space. Okay. No more granite. I will just get more. I will just move this entire thing for 3 blocks. Yeah, I should have just removed this one first. And then build that new one. Okay. The example robot arm. Then this one needs to be here. And now one is incoming here, going around like this. Now this mating setup can be built properly. So not lava, the slabs and the actual fan is going here, and the power supply, the great power supply, is going here, which will be coming from this steam engine themselves, same as powering the boilers, the belts and the mechanical arm. All right. I'm gonna get a bit more of granite. I just want to build like a few of the walls so I know roundabout where to build. Because this floor is going to be the steam engines, and then on top of that are going to be the carbon brushes. This. And this does not need to, no, it's actually good if it's so long. And a lot of charcoal will be made, and I think these will never run out of charcoal anyway, because this tree farm is gonna make so much wood. Okay. Yeah. So first I have to build the... Actually, first I have to build this melting setup. For that I need kelp, and which is not possible right now to automated farming. Or so actually I should already say, not yet. First I will do the steam engines now. Are two going to be enough? Maybe not. Okay, not so lucky. Was there? Yeah. Okay, one cap. We just need 8 to get the farm going again. Or do I have some in here? No, right? Oh. Come on. 4 more. That's the punishment for forgetting to keep some kelp. Yes. Okay. Good, that's running. Then I need an encased fan. Encased fan. I need a lava bucket. And I need the hopper, which I forgot to automate, seems like. And a log. So that... Alright, I need to have some access here. There should be logs inside. And then inventory cables and an inventory connector. And one of this. Actually, I should connect this to the conveyor system. But it's gonna look very bad. Is there space inside for a conveyor? Yeah, for a conveyor, yes. There could be a conveyor going through here. I will first connect like this. But maybe at some point maybe I'm gonna actually build another farm over here and have these two farms then plus this one and the wood hooked up with conveyors to a main storage basically. Okay, the wood should now, yeah, the logs already are going into the barrel here. Yep. So fan goes here. With a rotational speed controller. Not this way. No, actually it has to be this. No. No. Should be this way. The power is coming from one of the steam engines. Maybe this one here first. So leaves. Okay, I have years. leaves. And an accumulator. Ah, yeah, that's a problem now that so if, of course, the storage doesn't have any, main storage doesn't have any items inside that are still available in the network, it doesn't matter, then it cannot just magically pull that out for the crafting. For that I need the what was the name? So something with stock, maybe? Ah, here. I think that was this one. Yeah, I think that's it was this one, which is basically the interface. And then I can order items that are connected to the entire network. Where? Oh yeah, this one. Fine. This one. Order here, order there. Okay. Then, right, the burners. Gonna make 18 andesite. Really, no more andesite. These are made with number 1. Okay, then quickly gonna make a bit of andesite. By changing. Ah, I did it. Oh no, good here. And remove this one. Barrel. Then I actually need to craft a third one to make andesite. Or no, I don't, because I can actually just make it with, yeah, I can just combine these two and make from this one. Okay, where's the... It's faster for now. And another 9. Okay. And then a lot of tanks. And I'm already gonna make one steam engine. Plus a few more pipes to connect one boiler. Then as soon as this one is running a bit, I will set up the conveyors, everything. to set up the correct rotation. Let's do one more for now. And let's put one here. Get the water in from there. Huh? Okay, that has not enough water. So I need to have upgrades on that. First I do like this. Yeah, okay. Water is enough. So if I now put that, for example, and some shafts. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Then... oh no, this one actually should have stayed here. And let's see. First, yeah, the kelp. That is perfect. Make some dried kelp. Okay, so then I need some cogwheels. Or just one actually. And do like this. Put a vertical gearbox. Like so, it has to be going, yeah. This speed is absolutely enough for the mechanical arm and the conveyors. What? Yeah. And here. And then also one was missing. Okay. Good. And this one here, of course, should be a bit higher, like 228. Is that enough for the entire distance? Yeah. So I'm gonna actually replace this with granite to have the same color here. Wait. And then put some slabs. And there is going to be the lava bucket. But I will first build the conveyor system. Oh, okay, it's already run out of power, but that is fine. No, it's not, because I want to see the rotation, the orientation. If I use 2 burners, do they even rotate faster? No. Right, I think 16,000. Oh. What was that? not going to be faster, I think. Okay. No. $147,000, that's pretty good. The water wheels are doing something like 20,000 in total, maybe? So, yeah. Like, one of these are already almost more than this entire setup. Okay. Wait, why this is not correctly... Yeah, like this. And okay, so this belt has to rotate that way, which means okay. Wait, first I'm gonna build the belts before I figure that out. So this one has to be ending here. And starting from here, then this one is going until here. No, this one, of course, I need. Ah. Okay. Then the other one should come back to here. From here. And like so. Huh? Oh. Come on. Okay. Then the orientation. Let's see what's going to... This is wrong. And so if I connect one here, that's correct. This one is probably wrong, yeah. Then that means I'm going to put one here. And first put one here and here. Then this can be done there. But this one gearbox. Why? Okay. And then, so I can't place a gearbox here because of this rotation. So that one would be correct. And then we got this one left, which is going from, let's see, from, where's another gearbox? I need the gearboxes. So if I put one here, this would, oh, why now? Okay, then this rotation here is gonna be the wrong way. So I need again 1, 2 here and shaft. And this to there. Okay, then the funnel and funnel and funnel. Funnel and funnel. This one. And this one. And a filter. Yeah, I can just reuse this one. So the tunnel goes here. The filter goes here. It's denying, right? Denying everything that can be smelted. Yeah. And wait. Ah, but I can already connect that because they should stop there. Yeah, they're gonna stop here. And then, before I put the lava, I'm gonna make this robot pick up items from here. And here, put them here, here, and there. So, now I need to just get one of the lava buckets. They return to charcoal, and the arm should put the charcoal into the boiler, into the burners. And a stack of charcoal in these last forever. Let's see what's gonna happen. That's perfect, and they should just rotate. Yeah. And of course, before I forget, I need to turn these on. Charcoal. 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 Can I take these sticks out? Yeah. Can he put some... They are all turned on, right? Is this one turned on here in the middle? Yeah. And these are also on. And here should also be charcoal inside. Good. Okay. That is the beginning of the steam engine boiler room. But that is it for today. We actually did quite a lot. the entire automation here of the LV circuits and a few LV components. The only problem right now is I have to manually craft the steel bolts and steel gears, and the rubber is also a bit inconvenient to get. But yeah, the small LV engine area is running right now with just one turbine, but the new power supply is already going to be built. The drawers are here are also filling up. If I activate these again because of the overflow, I just deactivated them because the pipe is too slow. Yeah, the macerator is also running. So next time I continue first building this entire setup plus the new power plant, power production with carbon brushes. So see you then. Bye bye.